Okay, open up the top. We'll reveal our 20 little peeps. That's nice and warm in there, isn't it? Hey girls. Looks like everybody's alive. Alright, you guys look like you need something to eat, huh? Oh, don't try to hop out. They're so cute, look at that. Oh, that is just the ridiculously cutest thing in the world. Oh, don't peck at me. Don't peck at me. Oh, don't peck at me. Come on. I'm going to take care of you. Alright, into the brew you go, girls. After your great adventure. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, they only send one extra. Okay, oh, hey, why not? Nothing in there, just Excelsior. I thought they were going to put a potato in there. I heard they put potatoes in for a little water source or something they can peck at. Okay, girls, I have to get you some water and some feed, and I think I got to fix this fixture. It seems like it's overheating. So, okay, hit the button. So, not like I didn't know the chicks were on their way, but I forgot completely to get chick feed for them, the starter mash. So, Maggie, my brilliant daughter, decided to suggest that we take the feed that the layers are, well, one layer is using right now, and we should grind it up. And so I took it and I put it through the food processor, and got decent sized mash. There's still some big pieces, but they seem to like it. So here they are in their new home, cute as can be, and hopefully we'll in 18 weeks or so we'll have eggs coming out of these girls. These are barred Plymouth Rock poets, by the way, 21 of them. Welcome to your new home, girls.